Hello, my name is Pavan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, in our previous video we have started our playlist on NLP, that is a natural language processing, and we have learned a basic concept on regular expression. So continuing the regular expression, today we'll try to understand one of the basic concept in regular expression, that is a quantifier. So quantifier is basically an indicator, so which indicates that whatever it is followed by has a special meaning. Okay, so just a formal definition of a quantifier. So we'll try to understand what exactly the quantifier and how exactly it is. Okay, so before we begin our main topic, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and please press the bell notification icon to get all updates related to my YouTube channel. Okay, so let's get into this. So first what we'll do is we'll try to give a formal definition of quantifiers. Okay, so I will just try to give the casual definition. I will just try to give a general definition of a quantifier. Okay, suppose if you want the definition, you can just Google it and you can just copy it. Okay, so I will just try to give a casual definition of quantifiers. So quantifiers are basically indicators which indicates whatever it is followed by it has a special meaning. Okay, so this is just a normal definition of a quantifiers. So what we'll do is we'll try to understand the quantifiers with example. Okay, so first we'll try to define the pattern, find underscore pattern. Okay, so here what I will try to give it as text pattern, and here what I will try to do is search. Now what we'll try to do is we'll try to find the pattern. So what I will do is print find pattern. So what I will try to do is here I will try to give some pattern. I will try to give it as ABC, and I will give the input as AB and the question mark. Okay, so now what we'll try to do is I have given the input as AB, and here we'll try to find whether AB is present in the pattern ABC. Okay, then we'll see what exactly the output will get, then we'll try to understand it. So I'll try to run this particular cell. So here you can see that AB is present only between the first two characters. So if you take this as 0, 1, 2, so AB is present between the span 0 to 2. Okay, so here we are trying to match AB, which is the input, and here we are trying to find the AB in the pattern ABC. Okay, so now let's take an example, one more example. I will try to give it as ABC. I will try to mention it as find pattern, and here what I will try to give is I will try to give it as XYZ, and here I will give the input as LMN. Okay, followed by the question mark. So I have given the input as LMN, and where I am trying to find these characters in the pattern XYZ. So now let's see whether it is present or not. So here it shows that not found. So we'll take one more example with the question mark quantifier. So what I will try to do is find pattern. I will try to give it as A, B, C, D, E, and where I will give the input as A, B, C, followed by question mark. Then we'll see. So here you can see that ABC is present in the pattern ABCD between 0 to 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. So here you can see the span 0, 3, and the match is ABC. Okay. So this is all about the quantifiers. So I have just taken an example of question mark. So in the coming videos, like we'll come up with the more quantifiers like plus, star, and all. Okay. So that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.